and welcome back to Lithu's nail art designs. Today I am going to do a simple beginner friendly nail art just using a toothpick. Short nails, simple design and a full of elegance. This design is very simple, you can do right at your home. For this design I will be using lavender, pink and a light shade pink color for this nail art design. Just need a dotting tool for doing this nail art. Place the colors as shown in this video and follow these steps. First of all, I have placed dark pink on the left side and then the light pink on the right side. In the middle, I will be applying lavender shade. Now some magic is going to happen, so let's watch what the magic is. Using a dotting tool, just draw a design like this. You will get a cute easy nail art design. If you guys have any doubts, watch closely on the steps followed in this video. Comment below what kind of design you would like to see next. Maybe floral nails or something glittery. You have to take more quantity of nail polish than usually we used to take for getting this smooth finish. Remember to clean the edges after you are done. This nail art makes a huge difference in elegance. If you enjoyed this nail look, don't forget to like, subscribe and tap on the bell so that you never miss a new nail art design video. Color that feels calm but catches the attraction. This nail art is an example how you can create a nail art just using a simple toothpick, not any fancy tools for doing a nail art. You can create plenty of designs using this technique. If you want this type of nail art design, say want in the comment section. You can do this design on short nails too. This nail art is perfect for school, colleges, parties, work and daily life. You have to draw immediately after you have applied your nail polishes so that you get that perfect design. After you are done, you have to wait for some minutes for let it dry. I hope you like this final look. I hope you enjoyed watching this simple nail art design tutorial and find it easy and relaxing to follow. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It's really a support to my channel. Stay creative and I will see you all in my next video. Till